Hi there. I'm here with one another video of some of the lesser known features of ProBench. So one of them is the collaborative data collection. We sometimes also call it a share page feature. Uh, so uh, as you see, as mentioned, often the data is distributed across various departments, right? Normally data has to be collected from various colleagues from across departments. We normally use Word, Excel, PDF documents to kind of share with them and collect the data. So instead, what we can do is we can use the share page feature where we can collect the data from each of our colleagues. So some of the use cases that we have here is distributed data collection. As I mentioned, that if you want to collect the data which is distributed across the departments or across colleagues, you can use this share page feature. Then collect everything online. So there is no need for uh, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint to be shared through emails or through internal SharePoint shared data spaces or document spaces, etc. Everything can be collected online, so you don't have to manage multiple files or maintain multiple files with the data. Uh, Avoid user registration, so there can be one user who can register into ProBench, or the companies can only register one super user, and then they can share the pages with their colleagues. So they would only be able to share those pages. So just for an example, what I'll show you here is, like, I want to, if I these are the three pages that I have, and if I only want to share, say, principal one, so I select this, add the email address of my of the colleague who want from whom I want this data for principal one, add some message, and then click on share selected page. So the user would be getting, or this colleague would be getting an email with a temporary username and password, which means that they would not have to go and register into the system. They would directly have a username and password. Then control access to the survey. As I just showed you, like, if I click on this and share, so the user, when they log in to the system, they would only see principal one, because rest of the pages are not shared with that particular user. So even that data security and is also maintained, and also anonymization of it, or giving a controlled access to certain pages is also managed by that. So that way, so all those are the scenarios in which you can use the share page feature. uh, the benefits that you would have is the easy maintenance. As I said, is no offline documents required. Everything is collected online. Saves time because everything is online and already in the place where they should be. So there is no need for someone to kind of collect offline documents, sit and do a data entry. So that saves a lot of time. Also, it saves time between for the communication between the users. So even that time is saved. User convenience, so as I said, there's no need for registration process, so they would directly get a username and password, and they can directly get into the system, so there's no need to follow the complete registration process. And then sorry, then there is a data security. So only given access to certain survey pages, and also there is no chance a user would kind of overwrite another user's data if those particular pages are not shared with them. And also they would not also be able to see what other users have entered. And also there is a maker checker kind of a process where when the users have entered the data, they can only save it as draft. Then the super user would come into the system, and then they would kind of check if everything is fine. Only then they finally save the data into the system. So a complete data security is also provided here. So I think these are some of the use cases and benefits where you can use this collaborative data collection. So hope this helps uh, to kind of get you to use this particular feature. Thank you so much. Bye.